Hi, my name is Roy, and I will help you grow a tomato using a grow kit.
Hi, I'm Miss Jackson. I work here at Blackshear Elementary, and we are excited to show you all how you can plant your very own tomato by using what?
A
A grow kit. Yay! So, Roy, can you please tell us what we need to start our grow kit, please? What's in this folder right here?
Seed.
Open it up so we can see it. Can you tell us what they are?
These are seeds.
Okay, what's the name of the seeds?
Bush beans.
Blush beans, okay? And then what else do we need?
We need popsicle stick
And why are we using a popsicle stick?
to write our name and the date.
Yeah. Why do we need this packet? What does this packet tell us about? Can you describe? Open it up and let us see. Yeah, let me help you. Let me take your glove off for you so you can get the packet. It's like a journal, right? So what do you think we can journal when we use our tomato plants? We can journal what?
Like how to plant a tomato.
Okay, and what does this say?
This say height, inches, or centimeters. Numbers of leaves. Flowers, yes, no, color.
Okay, so we can also talk about the weather conditions, right?
Yes.
So every day that we go outside and check on our tomato plant, we can talk about the weather conditions, right?
Yes.
What else? We can talk about what?
The
If it changed in what?
color,
Color and
height,
do we see any leaves or what else? And do we see any what?
flowers.
Flowers. So we have a lot of things that we can talk about for our journal, right?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, so let's put these things back inside our pack and we can show them exactly what we need to do to plant our tomato plant. I'm super excited. What about you, Roy?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure. Okay, put those back inside so we won't lose them. Okay, close it back up. All right, scholars. Okay, so go ahead and put that glove back on. We'll put this down here to the side. So scholars, as you can see, this is our grow kit. So scholars, guess what? You cannot make a mess. Everything that you need will be right here inside this grow kit, right? So Roy and I have already placed some of this beautiful dirt that has been donated to us. And we place it inside of this grow kit, okay? So Roy, what do we do next after we place the soil inside? What do we need to do next?
Take the stick out and
We need to write the what?
name and the date.
The name and the date. Okay, great job. All right, so what do we need to do next?
Then we're gonna have to take the plant out.
How do we take the plant out? Because we need to be what? Gentle with it, right?
Yes.
So can you show me how we will take it out? Remember, you need to place your fingers what? Then you what? What? Tell us next.
Then
You need to squeeze it out, right?
then we squeeze it out and
Hold on. You
and we
gotta turn it.
then we turn it.
Hold it. And then we'll, oh, but it's kind of little, whoop. There you go. You see it?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. You grab, no. Grab it from the bottom. It's okay if it comes apart. It's okay. It's okay. Squeeze it and then hold it. And then what we do next?
We flip it over, then put it in the grow kit.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. So let's see if we can kind of fold the bag down some so you can kind of see. Can you see a little bit? Okay. So tilt it over. So I need you to help me put this inside. So let's make some room. Okay. And what do we need to do? Put some what?
Put some dirt. Then
Do you think we can add some of this right here? The fertilizer? What does the fertilizer do? What do you think it does?
I think it helps the plant grow.
So it's almost like food. Do we need food for our bodies as well?
Yes.
So just like what we need food, plants need food as well. So maybe we can open up this bag. It's the Microlife multi-purpose. And let's open it up and put a few of these inside, okay? Let's put a few. Let's put it inside. There you go. Take a few more, put them inside. Look how beautiful this tomato plant looks. Wow. Okay. So also, do you know what happened to our stick? Where is our stick? Okay, here's our stick. So you want to place that inside?
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything else we think we might need? We need to add some what?
Water.
Water, maybe some water. So what can they use at home to water their plant?
They can use faucet water.
Okay, what else?
And some plants need warm water.
Okay. So where can we place this grow kit? If so, say for instance, if you don't live in a house, where can you put this grow kit if you live in an apartment? Can you keep this at your apartment?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Anything else you would like to add?
And some plants, all the plants need sunlight, soil, water, and sometimes need vibrates to help it grow.
Okay, so how often should we check on our plants?
About 3 weeks.
Okay, so do we need to check on our plant at least maybe every other day?
Sometimes.
Okay. So I think this is about it. We just need to add some water, so we'll add some water. And I think we're done, right?
Yes.
Okay, so again, what is your name again? And what grade are you in?
My name is Roy, and I'm in 2nd grade.
And where do you attend school?
Blackshear Elementary.
Yeah, and again, I'm Miss Jackson here at Blackshear Elementary. We have enjoyed this experience, and I hope you all will enjoy your experience as well. Please make sure you journal your journey with your tomato plant, and we look forward to seeing your tomato plants grow. Bye.